Hi everyone, Ryan here, Ion Capital Solutions. Today I'm here with Brendan Scrocky. Brendan, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thanks for having me. Nice to be here.
Absolutely, absolutely. So let's just dive right in, folks. So ABCD paper, what does that mean, right? Basically, it's just a way for us to be able to qualify the applicant, know what lender, our account executive to know what lender to send the deal to, and that's really it. Don't think too much into it, but there is a bit more information here. Brendan, could you elaborate, please?
Paper grade is typically based on your credit score or credit history, and number of positions or loans that you currently have out. So that could be an MCA loan, a term loan, or any other type of debt that you currently have.
Got it, got it. And so something like a D paper file, right, probably doesn't have a lot of options. Is that right?
That's correct. So there are some lenders that actually specialize in some of the lower grade paper, but of course those are going to be shorter terms typically and higher rates.
Gotcha. Gotcha. Makes sense. And so everybody watching at home, that's about it. You really don't need to know much beyond that. There will be some sections in here where there's only a single column. Okay, it means they're only looking at high-end files, right? Or they don't look at it in terms of A, B, C, D paper. In fact, there's one or two they more look at it in terms of a tier system. So it's just a way for it to break down. No worries there, but let's jump into the next video and discuss the forms of funding. All right. Thanks, everybody. We'll catch you soon.